In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use ClickUp for consulting clients. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you're going to go to Create, and then we're going to go to Templates. From here, search in Consult. After a few seconds, you should see a consult project plan or even a consulting agreement, consulting services, and much more. Now, you can choose one of this. So let's use this template. Say project plan. Choose the location. Choose whether to import everything or customize the import items. You can also choose a start and due date if you're going to import it as is or remap the dates. And lastly, you can choose whether to include or not the archive task. Now, give ClickUp a few minutes to set it up, in which you will now have full access to that template. Once it finishes this, that template will automatically open. So let's wait. Once it opens, now as you can see, you can now use this for your consulting clients. This would be a project plan for your consultations, including your tasks, a task-based status, our schedule, the project summary right here also, and your other activities on your list. Now, since this is free, you have full access to fully edit and customize it however to fit your needs. So, if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.